little quick comparison review. So this side was with this product. This is the Organic Beauty Leave-In Detangler Plain. What are you doing? And then this side is the African Pride Pre-Shampoo Detangler. So I will say, comparing these two, they both detangled very well. However, I did notice that I had to use a lot more of this product than this one. Like, I think I had to pump this one like 4 or 5 times before I was able to really get through my hair. Where I think this one, I dumped my hand in there maybe twice, and that was just to make sure I coated my hair, and it detangled very well. So, and I didn't like how with this one, it looked like it was like snotty. I don't know, that's just a little, that's neither here nor there. It has nothing to do with if the product works. But if I had to choose one, I would say this one gets an edge because I didn't have to use that much product. This one, this would go by fast if I had to use this on my entire head, because I had to get a lot of the product out of this for it to work. And this was like, I think this was like $14, where this was $7. Bigger jar, kind of, sort of. And I can use less product and it'll last longer, where this is a smaller thing, but I have to use more product, so I would have to, this would be more expensive to upkeep. But I noticed, like, with this, it doesn't look like how people advertise it on social media, where they're like, oh, you can just detangle here. No, with this, I had to really get a lot of product in for it to soften my hair and detangle, where this one, I didn't have to try too hard. Now, the negative with this one is it leaves a film on your hand. Like, it feels like you could feel that something's on here. Even when you wash your hands, you gotta wash your hands a couple of times before you get it off, because it just feels icky. So that's a negative for this one. But I guess if you don't have a lot of hair, or if you like don't have like thick hair, you can use this one. But if you have like really thick hair or really dense hair, I would recommend this one. This one was a lot easier to maneuver and smooth on through. So that's my comparison review. If I had to pick what I would repurchase, this one. I'm going to finish this one eventually, but I will not repurchase this, but I would repurchase this. Thanks for watching. Bye!